Start from the already verified Fleiss workspace. The summary cards and matrix confirm that results exist before we inspect the supporting workspace evidence. Below the matrix, the page separates the result table, the disagreement log, the coder roster, and run history. That structure is useful because methods review is not just one score. The roster shows 14 human coders labeled as psychiatrists. In this public dataset, those labels are generated from the count table, so they support matrix construction but are not original historical identities. Run history preserves the completed computations, Fleiss kappa, Krippendorf alpha, percent agreement, and the clean summary run. That history lets a tutorial or methods section say exactly which result was read.